Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So as another market and currencies today, we increasing the scale of the analysis is just because on the intraday charts, on the hourly, on the 4-hour time frame chart, reaction stands so fast that you can't actually use the scale to make any search for some patterns or making some analysis, just because swings are too significant. And that's why we're watching on the weekly chart this time. So you can see with the analysis that we have prepared in the weekly report, this market mostly has passed through this area, as we suggest that this top probably will be taken out. As in the daily, we've got the grabber, and in general, overall fundamental background suggests that demand for gold should remain high in the nearest time. Currently, as you can see, that gold is flirting with the weekly overbought area. In general, commodities have so the feature that they are not as sensitive to the overbought, oversold conditions compared to the financial markets. Financial markets usually feels very uncomfortable when they hit the extreme points, but commodities and crude oil, gold could spend a lot of time to be overbought or oversold. For example, you can see recent rally when the market, well, actually stand for 3 weeks deeply overbought without any retracement. So this, only some time later, you can see this pullback starts. The same could repeat here. So maybe overbought could slow down a bit the action, but it doesn't mean that it will become the major determinant of the upward action. So in general, market could keep going higher with the overbought condition. In general, we'll take a look at this level. Currently, we could switch to another target that we have. So actually, this is 2060, 2075 area. This is 1618 extension of the same butterfly, so we could now extend it here. It's just because you can see price is breaking for the 127 without no respect, or we could call as a respect this retracement. This has happened. And take a look, this will be also on the weekly XOP, which is 2075. That's the next destination point. On the daily chart, we have the same ABCD pattern, or better to say a different pattern, but I mean target we have approximately the same, which is also XOP is 2062. Our grabber here has been performed completed perfectly. This market has taken out of this top and keep going higher, so we do not need it anymore. And in the current situation, the only the setup that we theoretically could consider is probably upward continuation pattern. This might be kind of the bread and butter trade. So if you plot here the moving average, so we'll show you that recent upward action feels and suits very well for these purposes. Despite minor interruption here of the thrust, market already stands above this top, and we could treat it as the whole upward action. Because taking the short position right here, it's not very comfortable. This market already has passed through the major targets, but it's still going to another one, this next one. And it might happen so that you will not get the solid retracement, even by the technical reasons. I would not even mention the fundamental background that stands currently on the gold. That's why if you intend to trade some scalp, make some scalp trades on the lower time frame, I mean on the bearish side, it would be better when the market hits the 2060, 2075 area. For the others who intend to buy the gold, despite the oversold level, overbought level, if market will show the pullback here, some minor retracements with forming some bread and butter buy opportunities, that will be a great chance to take the position, because it will be relatively safe and chance on upward continuation stands strong. Some other extensions that we have, take a look on follow time frame chart, although we thought that maybe market will reach the 20 millennium target a bit later, but you can see that it has hit it right and demand is open, showing some minor retracement, and now it's keep going higher. Minor targets than 2033, but I wouldn't call it as a very important. and I will not be surprised if market actually will not show any response to this level. In general, this big ABCD pattern that we have on the follow time frame chart, take a look, gives us the same destination point. It's around 2070. So that being said, around 2060, 2075, we have big cluster of the targets. Also take a look, this will be the combination, some consolidation around this previous top, and be prepared for volatility spikes, grabbing of the stops above this area, because XOP stands slightly above this level. And in a larger term scale, as we said in our weekly report as well, these guys was a reaction on the all-time COP target around 2075. As the reaction is over, that should be the new extension. As you know, the OP, that was the COP, OP stands around 26. So this is a long-term journey, but in the current circumstances, we can't deny that this could happen.